In this video, we're talking about an amazing outcome that we got on a criminal speeding ticket. My team has done an amazing job on this, and if I don't brag about it, nobody else will do it, so we're going to do it today. This was an awesome outcome. So this individual came to us basically at the end of the line. There was no hope in his case. This was something where we took a look at it and we said, okay, we've got a lot of hurdles ahead of us. We've got a very high speed. We've got kind of a non-favorable jurisdiction. And so we have our work cut out for us. But at the end of the day, we got an amazing outcome, and I'm going to show you what that is. So this is the citation. I have it blocked out so that you can't see this individual's name, but you can see the speed here. Okay, the speed was right there, 117 in a 75. It was on radar. So the person was going on radar. As many people will often tell other individuals, that radar is basically foolproof. There's nothing you can do about it. If it got me on radar, they got me on radar. And so 117 and a 75. The law in Arizona is 85. So anything that's over 85, 86 and above is criminal. So this individual was allegedly going 117 on radar. The court was the Ironwood Justice Court. And this is a court that gets a lot of criminal speeding tickets. A lot of people are coming back and forth between California, LA, San Diego, and they pass through this very, very big geographical location, and they get stopped for criminal speeding violations. And so we worked on this case for a very long time, several months, probably 5-6 months, and the case ended up going to trial. All right? A lot of criminal speeding tickets don't go to trial. A lot of attorneys will not take their cases to trial. But we do. If the prosecutor is offering us no deal, if they're saying you have to plead guilty to the criminal speeding charge, that's unacceptable. We might as well go to trial. And that's what we did. And it's a good thing we did too, because what we got, as you can see here, was a big not guilty. See that there? Not guilty on both charges. All right, not guilty, adjudged and decreed, not guilty of exceeding 85, not responsible for the emergency lane violation. So pretty awesome outcome, all right? Having heard the evidence for the prosecution and the defense for this matter, it is hereby ordered, adjudged and decreed that the defendant is not guilty of the exceed 85 and not responsible for the failure to drive in the right and the emergency vehicle. You can see here, that's us. That's the R&R Law Group right there. And that's the signed, sealed area from the judge. So it was a very awesome outcome. All right, this doesn't happen on every single case, but it was a good case. It was a good outcome. The government came in. They said that they had radar. They said they had all of the calibrations. They said they had everything that they needed to prove their case. They didn't. We pulled out all the stops. We built a great defense. We got an amazing outcome for that individual. He couldn't be happier. We're happy as well because this guy had a lot at stake. He had a lot going for him in his life, and this would have caused a major impediment to a lot of his professional ambitions and been a big problem for him. So we're happy to do it. I'm happy to brag about the best team that we've got here in Arizona, the R&R Law Group. We do an amazing job. And if you've been charged with any crime, particularly criminal speeding, you want to speak to our team about it, give us a call. We offer free case evaluations. Look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for watching.